So we got an Audi A3 key fob here. This is from a 2024, and we want to replace the battery. And if we look at the back of it, we're going to take this back panel off. If you want to do this without doing any damage to your remote, you want to keep it flawless. What you're going to do is press this button here, hold it down with your thumb, and pull out the door key. Okay, so you have a door key right here. Now you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and what you're going to do is you're going to put it in the slot here. And what you need to do is put some pressure at this angle here and run it along the inside of the remote. There's actually a little foot that hangs down in this this area here that you need to hit, and it'll pop this up. Okay, so if you just run it through here, you see how it popped it up right like that. Okay, so all I'm doing is just running it like that, and it'll pop it up. Now if you look in the very middle part, there's a little slot here that you can put the screwdriver in. Now that it's popped up, just pop this guy up. Now with it off, you can see what I'm talking about as far as the feet go. See how these feet are? So when you're running it in here, you can kind of see the screwdriver through this hole. You're just kind of hitting one of the feet, okay? Like that. You're hitting one of these guys, popping it up. No damage done to the remote. It stays nice and clean and flawless, all right? So we go right here, and popping the battery out can be a little tricky. They don't give you a lot of room to sit here and work on it, but right here at the top, I'm gonna work on prying it out right here on the top. Once we get it kind of working, it'll come right out, okay? So the battery size is CR2032. It's written on top of the battery like this, and there's also a positive sign written on top of the battery. When we get our new one, it slides in like this. On the side here, see where these contacts are, like this, and then you just lock it in like that. Okay, I have a link in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can get another Panasonic battery, and you just get your other cover, snap it on. It's pretty much done. Well, I hope this helped you out, kept your remote nice and flawless. If it did, do me a favor, support the channel by hitting subscribe, the like button, and if you have a comment, leave it in the comment box there. See you guys in another Audi video.